Factor versus multiple is the next battle on our list. We did 2 battles last class. We have a new battle here, factor versus multiple. Do you know the ins and outs of this fight? Welcome back. So what makes something a factor? What makes something a multiple? If you know students will mix up this. The next fight to the next video that I'm going to do, the next session, the next class, the students mix up that next class so much. But okay, let's focus on this class first. Factor versus multiple. How to define this, boy? I want to use the number 12 as an example. So the number 12, what are the factors of 12? What is even a factor? I've been using that word a few classes now. What is even a factor? So let me just get rid of 12 and see what a factor is. A factor is an exact divisor of a particular number or term. An exact divisor of a particular number or term. The reason I say or term is because as you go up in maths, you'll realize you can have factors of letters. That's algebra. So an exact divisor of a particular number. So it means when I'm thinking factors, I should be thinking divided. What numbers can go into that without leaving a remainder? What about a multiple? What is a multiple? So a multiple is the resulting product of a particular number and a whole number. So when I'm thinking multiples, I should be thinking about the particular numbers multiplication table. So like if I'm thinking 6, I should be thinking 6, 12, 18. Multiples are products of the number with a whole number. So 1 by 6 is 6, 2 by 6 is 12, 3 by 6 is 18. All right. So now I have factor and I have multiple. Let me bring back in 12 into this before we end the video. So 12, if I'm looking at the factor side of 12, are there unlimited factors or are there unlimited multiples? Which one of them do I have unlimited? I do have unlimited in one, you know. Well, in the factor side of 12, 12 has a lot of factors, but it comes to an end. We have 1. 1 can go into 12 how many times? 12 times. So I like to write them in pairs. 1 and 12. We have 2. 2 can go into 12 6 times, so 2 by 6. It's important in maths to start thinking of factors in pairs. You want to think of factors in pairs because it helps you to factorize, and that's something that you have to do later on. 3 by 4 is 12. Is that it? That's it. Well, there's 4 by 3, but that's the same as 3 by 4. There's 6 by 2, that's the same as 2 by 6. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors of 12. First number with 6 factors is 12. But it comes to an end. So there's a limit. What about multiples? 12, 24, 36, 48. Yo, this thing don't ever stop. What comes next? Is it 60? Yes, it's 60, and that goes on and on. The multiples of 12 is an unlimited or infinite set. Because we can say 12 by 100, we can say 12 by 1,000, we can keep going on with multiples. Multiples represent the product of the given number and a whole number. Love and blessings. See you in the next class.